Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to create and use Wise multi-currency account. So let's get started. So here we are, and the first thing that you need to do is go into the link on the description of this video and use that to create your free Wise account, and then you will be prompted right here. So once you're here, you want to click on open an account. And then from here, we will now register through Wise. So you can provide your email address or just log in with Google account, Facebook, or Apple. What I recommend is that you just go for the email address, because in this way, it would be less hassle for you in the future. So it would be easier to just go for your email address compared to Facebook, where you would have your Facebook account associated with your Wise, and I think that would pose problems later on. So I recommend that you just use your email address. From here, provide your email address, and then let's go to the next step. And then you want to choose the account type that you'd want to open. In my case, I'll just go for personal. And from here, you want to go to the country that you are currently living in most of the time, and you just select the country. In my case, I'll just go for Philippines and click on continue. And then after that, you can see the things that you can do depending on the country that you have currently selected, because not all country have all of the features that each country has. So it's not all the same, and you can see what you can do right here when you are in this country and what you can't do right here. In my case, I can't invest my money. So click on continue once you're done, and from here, just provide your phone number after this one. So I'm just gonna provide mine. Click on send verification code, and then after that, it would tell me to download the app instead. So I would need to complete this registration in the app. So yeah, you can just get the app, and then from there you can just complete your registration. But after that, you should be able to log in now into your Wise. So now let's link our bank account into our Wise account so that we can deposit our money anytime easily. So you can click on your name right here, click on settings, and then from here you want to click on the connected accounts, and from here you can connect your bank account by clicking on the bank account right here. So you can click on that, and then from here you can choose the bank location right here. And as you can see, other countries are not supported. So if you are currently belong right here in this country, or you have a bank in this country right here, you can add them. So right here, so those are the only locations that are available here on Wise. And now, once you are done with the process, you should now be able to log in into your Wise account. And remember that Wise might ask you for your personal information, like your occupation, salary, and so on. So in order for you to open up your Wise account right here, so make sure to prepare that information if it was not asked for you in the registration process. So from here, what we can do to use the multi-currency account, all we have to do is click on the plus button right here that we have on our dashboard, and click on the currency that you would like to open here on Wise. So first, you need to select a balance type. So you can go for a balance. This is where you can send, receive, or spend money. Or you could go for a jar, where you could just save the money right here and set it aside for whenever you need it. In my case, I'll just go with balance. And from here, I can now choose the currency that I would like to open in Wise. So you can choose all of the currencies available right here. In my case, I'll just go for British pound, for example, and click on confirm. And then after that, I now have this available for my account to use. So I can click on the get account details. And then from here, you can see that you would need to verify your identity first. In my case, I have already verified mine, but in order for you to use this, you would need to verify here. So you can just go through with it right here. So you can click on get account details once you are verified, and then from here you would need to add money for the verification. Right here, you could add a payment method right here. You can go for debit or credit card, whatever you'd like. So let's say I'm gonna go with debit, and then from here I can see the fees right here. And as you can see, you need to add money. You'll be able to use this money later on. So this is just for the verification process. So click on continue. And from here, you would need to answer some personal information like source of funds, just like I have told you earlier, and so on. So I'm just gonna choose mine right here, just for an example. Right here, let's go salary. And from here, you will now be able to see the details that you are going to pay and provide your payment details. And after this, you should have been able to complete now the verification process, as long as Wise would now be able to process your verification. So after that, all you have to do is basically just wait, and it should be all good as long as there was no issue in the payment. So that is basically it on how you can create and use Wise multi-currency account. Thank you for watching.